It's 3 a.m. You got me waiting for your love. I'm at the corner of the club. It's pouring down, but I won't budge. I'll call your bluff. You think you're tough, yeah, so go ahead, come and put me off. Bring all your friends so they can watch. You're drunk dialing up my phone, so here I am at 3 a.m.
Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and I am a stay-at-home wife and mom of 3 kids. I'm so glad that you clicked on this video to watch this cleaning video. It is something that I thoroughly enjoy doing. I'm so excited to be able to record and make cleaning videos for you guys. If that sounds like content that you're interested in, please don't forget to subscribe before you click off of this video. My husband and I just recently, a couple months ago, moved into this apartment. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, and it is a downsize from the house that we were previously renting. I'm so happy to be in this apartment because it is so nice. We left our house with only our TV stand and our trash can, so everything in this house is new that we purchased, and actually not done purchasing everything that we need. So I will be recording videos to fill up the little spaces in the house that do need furniture. So stay tuned for that, and lots of videos coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I want to put some music on because that is what makes these cleaning videos seem so much faster and so much more enjoyable. Thank you again for watching.
You got me looking crazy, baby. These wicked little games you play, yeah. So step up to the plate, don't wait. It's 3 a.m., so here I am. Oh, you're crazy, crazy. You're bullseye out of your mind. You're crazy, crazy in every way I can find. You're crazy, crazy. The more I think of it, I might be crazy too. Crazy for wanting you, no. I'm just about done. I guess we'll talk when morning comes. Just chillin', keep it cool for us, yeah. Hey, that's a cue for entry. I know those eyes. Let's act surprised, yeah. You got me looking crazy, baby. These wicked little games you play, yeah. So step up to the plate, don't wait. It's 3 a.m., so here I am. Oh, you're crazy, crazy. You're bullseye out of your mind. You're crazy, crazy in every way I can find. You're crazy, crazy. The more I think of it, I might be crazy too. Crazy for wanting you, no. It's 9 a.m. Last night we fought down at the club, but yet you're here in my arms. They're calling us crazy. I know that it's crazy, not logical, against all odds. I call it love. I call it love. You got me looking crazy, baby. These wicked little games you play, yeah. So step up to the plate, don't wait. It's 3 a.m., so here I am. Oh, you're crazy, crazy. You're bullseye out of your mind. You're crazy, crazy in every way I can find. You're crazy, crazy. The more I think of it, I might be crazy too. Crazy for wanting you, no. I will not bow down. Keep putting me off, I'm not gonna change my mind. Your head's thrown forward, but this time around I'm taking my time, don't I made up my mind, going straight to the top. Ooh, follow blindly, way my own way. See the truth behind it. Am I the only one who's not giving up? I'm looking around, yeah, you all giving up. You need a slap in your face, time to wake the hell up. Follow blindly. Am I the only one who's not giving up? Hey, what's going on now? Do you see what I mean? Nobody gives a damn, and still they bow down, just appeasing the game to the visible ends of. You're not kidding me, no matter how hard you try. So just stay off. Come near and I'll leave. I'm just fine getting by. Follow blindly, way my own way. See the truth behind it. Am I the only one who's not giving up? I'm looking around, yeah, you all giving up. You need a slap in your face, time to wake the hell up. Follow blindly. Am I the only one who's not giving up? I will not follow blind, not follow blind, not follow blindly. And this is who I am tonight, so get it right, don't follow blind.
So here I'm just getting off all of the crud and all of the cooked on food that's on the burner here. I just like to clean this off every time that I wipe the stove because cooked on food does get on it sometimes. And then once I'm done rinsing this all off, I'm just going to clean off the counter that's next to the stove and also clean off my Nespresso machine.
Follow blindly, way my own way. See the truth behind it. Am I the only one who's not giving up? I'm looking around, yeah, you all giving up. You need a slap in your face, time to wake the hell up. Follow blindly. Am I the only one who's not giving up? So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong. Go put up a fight. The way I do will knock you down. You know there's emotion between us. Don't go cry about it. Don't go cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust. Oh no, you know that ain't the way. Oh no, there's nothing new in this game. You got to give it up, give it up. Give it up, give it up. I'm wearing you out. Keep on keeping on every night. Way up in the clouds. The way I do will knock you down. You know there's emotion between us. Don't go cry about it. Don't go cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust. Oh no, you know that ain't the way. Oh.
Here I'm moving on to my side table where my lamp is, and I'm taking the same Old English wood spray and just spraying down the side table to clean it and polish it and oil it up. It looks so good once it's all sprayed down and I'm also putting up my daughter's picture and a little picture frame that we got for our wedding that we have yet to put a picture in yet. That's something that we still have to do. So now I'm going to take my Dyson vacuum cleaner and just vacuum the hardwood floor and then change the attachment and vacuum our rug.
Oh, no, there's nothing new in this game. You got to give it up, give it up. But you got to give it up, give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. No, 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 give it up, give it up. You know there's an ocean between us. You want me to take you in my trust. Oh, you got to give it up. You know that ain't the way. It ain't the way. Oh, no, 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 no. There's nothing new in this game. You got to give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. But you got to give it up, give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. No, 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 give it up, give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. Give it up, give it up.
Here I'm just taking the Wyman stainless steel cleaner, as you see, and I'm wiping down our trash can just to make sure that it's all shiny and clean. And I'm also wiping the back of the wall because the trash can hits the wall and sometimes it gets a little dirty. Now I am bringing in a load of laundry and I'm just going to put the rest of the light colors in the laundry to get that started. I probably should have done that when I first started cleaning. That's what I usually do. I'll start the laundry before anything. But I was actually getting a late start today with cleaning, and so it was kind of late. That's okay, as long as it gets done. This clip here is like your motivation to go do your laundry. It doesn't matter what time of the day is. Just go and get it done. I promise you, you will feel so much better. And so once I get this started, I'm just going to finish folding up the rest of the clothes that were in the dryer from yesterday.
If I could fly, if I could kiss the sky, would you take me for granted? And if I could run faster than speed of light, would you take me for granted? Shake, shake, trembling to my bones. I am restless, there's no way of knowing. If I could, then I would restless love. If I could, then I would restless love. I don't wanna wait, I don't wanna wait to get out of this place. If I could, then I would restless love. I won't even try, I don't wanna hold you back.
Quick dance session here, guys. I get so excited when I'm almost done cleaning that I feel like I have to dance. So at random times, I'll just start dancing because I'm so excited that I am almost done my chores. It is that serious.
I have my own reasons, lead me the way, help me to read your side.